Hello man cavers. Welcome to Dave's Man Cave. Okay guys, today we got another box. Another one you say? Yes, I know, you're just spoiled on this channel. But yeah, what can I say? The last video, which was the KITT, the Knight Rider Playmobil, which is an excellent card actually, what I said. Good paint job and stuff on it. And just looking at it there at the shaft now, it's like it takes off. It stands out really well. Anyway, guys, hello, how are you all doing? Hope you're all keeping well. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. What we try to do here is decast cars and trucks. Actually, I just kind of got into collecting myself, and I thought some of these models, sometimes they're just too nice, and it's should be shared. I think, you know, not everyone's lucky enough to get them or can afford them, or not that some of these are expensive. Like, you know, some of them I got a good deal on. Some of them I was just lucky, being honest. Like, most of the stuff I think is off eBay. I have got a few off Amazon there, sales and stuff. But yeah. So anyway, if you're new to the channel, I kind of open a box whenever I can, whenever one arrives. I kind of try to get ahead of that. I don't know what's coming or what's not now. I know what I've ordered, and basically, yeah, what I've ordered. But then again, as I said, it's been a while that I actually haven't got a clue of what's in each box. So, without further ado, so yeah, guys, if you're new to the channel, that's it, like, you know, that's what it's about. So having fun, unboxing these things, see what's in them. Oh, this is a box within a box. Okay, this is pretty well packaged. Now, as I say, guys, I haven't got a clue of what is in this box. But like you, I will find out. We will find out for the first time. Yeah, okay. Let's see what we got. Again, guys, if you're enjoying the channel and you are new here, as I said, very welcome. And if you're already a subscriber, please like and share. Oh, okay. I think I know what this is, guys. Oh yes. Oh yes. Okay. Guys, you might think we're stuck in a team here, but here we go. This is it. Knight Rider. Except it's not KITT. No. It's KARR. K.A.R.R. I have to say, it looks stunning. Now come on. You can't have KITT without KARR. And again, this one is by JADA. Not too expensive. Not too expensive. But yeah, fabulous looking card actually. I think they got a spot on. The paint job. Let's just hope the scanner now is amber. But yeah, again, fabulous looking card. Like the paint detailing, absolutely fantastic. Anyway, if you don't know who KARR is, KARR would be KITT's evil brother, you could say. KARR was a prototype. KITT's the real deal. Like, if ever there was a show that was simple, like, I know in season 1, I know KARR was the exact same as KITT. It was all black. And it even had the red scanner. and later on in seasons it changed to the two-tone colour which you see here now. But I know I had a red scanner, but then I kind of went amber, or kind of like greenish or amber. But again, still money. Anyway, let's get this open and give you guys a look. I don't open up. Yep. That's it. And then we have the instructions. Will it come out easy enough? No, that's all orange. Okay. How'd you get the JADA though? The dioramas in their boxes are pretty cool. Like, you can use them. You know, if you're ever stuck or you know, if you want to take it out or no, I don't think these are actually. This is limited edition. I think all of JADA stuff says limited edition, doesn't it? No, it's not. It's Greenlight stuff. It's limited edition. So this is not limited anyway, so I'm sure they're still making them. I'm sure they're available. Again, I got this on eBay. So, okay. Take the instructions out of the way. I don't know what to take off this bit of tape here. Yep. That's it. Now. No. Okay. So again, like KITT, we have the same exploding bottles in the background. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Pretty cool diorama actually, for the funny. And again, you just want to see it, don't you? But like, who doesn't? Okay. Let's set this baby free. I'll give KITT a run for its money. Screws need to be all the way out, I think. Any typical. What one is? On this one. Now. Now. Well, I'm going to look at it. I'll leave the door open. Look at the tips. Okay, let's turn it over. And a bit of tape at the back. Well, now guys, as you guys can see, actually we'll put this back into the box. This is out of the way, there's space. But, yeah, I might actually use this way around it. Stick on something, you know. It was a big battle between brother versus brother. I'll say David versus Goliath, but it wasn't David versus Goliath, it was Michael versus Garth. Or KITT versus Goliath. And yeah, again. Fascinating. is KITT or KARR. And let's give you a look at this again. Oh yeah, oh again, actually, yeah. Forget about this. The door's open. A little bit of tape there on that one. Yeah, guys, the door's open. The trunk opens, should do. Yeah. Much like KITT. Exact same as KITT, actually. I get my shadow out of the way if I can. But if you notice closely, if I can get it right into it. Let's see, can I zoom right in on it? I don't know if you can see it there. But the voice box in this should be yellow. Well, this is, I think this is based on season 3. I'm not 100% sure. And if you can see inside, I don't know if you'll be able to see if I. No, it's going to be dark. I'm going to try the passenger side. And then yeah, let's just see if I can get this now. If you can get a look at it, guys. You should be able to see the KARR's voice box should be yellow. KITT's is red and KARR's is yellow. Which I think they have. That's kind of hard to tell, actually. It's kind of hard to tell. But yeah, that's KARR. Exact same as KITT. Exact same detail in the engine. As you can see. Not as much detail as the 118, the Elite model, but the headlights don't pop up. But yeah, this is KARR. And it does have the camera scanner, which is class. Again, a bit of weight to it. Yeah. I am KARR. If you don't know, guys, that's the same fellow who does the voice. You all know him at this stage. Come on, shame on you if you didn't. He does the voice of the Transformers, Optimus Prime. And yeah, I am KARR. So yeah, guys, super. I have to say, really liking this model. KITT and KARR. Now, let me just and let me get his brother. Yeah. So, guys, we have KITT and we have KARR. You choose. Who you want. But that's the two of them there, guys. KITT, cease. I'm not in control, K.A.R.R. The humans are. Ah, yeah. They look pretty classed up. Again, guys, you can't really have one without the other, can you? In all fairness, like. That's just class. Actually, K.A.R.R scanner is pretty cool as well. Forever to work, like, it was meant to be about David Hasselhoff and KITT, but like, it was always KITT and KARR though, wasn't it? Or KITT and Goliath. And KITT was the real star. I think David Hasselhoff was just along for the ride, or Michael was just along for the ride. But that's what we loved. Such a simple car. Put a scanner on it. Lend a voice to it. And it comes alive. 80s were so simple. And nobody got killed. You know, a lot of accidents, alright, but yeah, just, you know, two of them together, like, you know, you can't argue. You just can't argue. Two stunning models. Really are. I think JADA actually hit it on the head with it. As I say, you know. Sorry, apologies there that I knocked over the camera. Yeah. Again, the edge. Now, I presume you can. Actually, do these flip? No, they don't flip. Now, I'm sure you could get the proper edge for this. I don't know why actually they don't have the proper edge, consider like the name all over the box as well, like, you know. I'm sure you can get K.A.R.R and KITT. You know, it's a bit strange to see them with the same edge plate, Knight Rider, but oh, whatever. As you can see, they're identical. But yeah, and K.A.R.R seems to sit lower, does he? Or is it just my imagination? Maybe it's the tyres. But yeah, like, hang on, I'll turn the light off and you can see these. That's all you see. Like, even that alone at night, it's just intimidating. It's enough to put the wheelies up here. But anyway, yeah, that's it, guys. KITT and KARR. Okay, time to put these guys on the shelf. Again, guys, thanks a million for tuning in. Again, if you want to see these cars more in depth, I want to know more about them. But yeah, I think K.A.R.R does actually sit a lot lower. Is it just me? Maybe it's just the silver on it makes it look that kind of way. It looks like he's lower suspension. And again, exact same detail underneath as KITT. But yeah, fantastic. I find these could talk, actually. You know, I probably have 1,000 things to say. And that's it. Absolutely brilliant. Brilliant. Super models. Okay, guys, again, if you like what you see, please like and subscribe to the channel so you can get them viewers up. Again, as I said, like, they're fascinating cars. Like, all the cars I'm going to try and show you are, they kind of mean a little thing to me, you know, growing up in the 80s. Not that they're trying to relieve me youth or that, like, but it was just, they were good innocent times, you know. On a Saturday night you'd have your bath and you'd come in and you'd watch this, or you'd watch the A-Team or MacGyver, or even Starsky and Hutch, a bit later at night, but Hill Street Blues, you know, that kind of stuff. But yeah, look, never done me any harm growing up. So that's it. Give it a look one more time. Anyway, guys, I don't want to make this a real long video, so as they say, hope you have a great evening. Good night, folks, and please like and subscribe. Maybe hit me an old commenter so and see what you'd like on the channel, or you know, you could throw your opinion in on what I'm doing wrong, or you know, what we could have a chat about. But yeah, that's it. Absolutely superb. Really chuffed with them. Okay, folks, as always, thanks for watching. Dave's Man Cave out. Have a good day. Cheers. Alright guys, there you go. That's K.A.R.R in all its glory. I have to say, fantastic looking model. Absolutely superb. Detail in it, it's as good as KITT. Maybe if you like the body a bit better looking. But yeah, fantastic. Absolutely fantastic model. Really looks well. I would recommend this to anybody, especially if you're a collector as well. So the only annoying thing is you have to open the door to turn on the lights. I wish there was a button on it, but he never wants to stay still. Very hard to get him to on the turntable. Yeah, he just constantly wants to go. There we go. But yeah, as you can see, fantastic looking model. I said the edge plates you could probably change. But other than that, yeah, anyway guys, oh, there he's off again. Oh, I hope you liked the video. If you do, please like and subscribe. And catch us all soon in the next one. Again guys, if you like what you see, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, helps the channel a lot. Doesn't cost much to you, but to me, you know, it gets the channel out there, gets it noticed. But yeah, as you can see guys, an absolutely fantastic model. Really happy with it, I have to say. Great job again by JADA. And that's it guys. Catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. See you soon.